Hi, welcome to the video tutorial of modeling with spreadsheets. Today I am going to show how PeopleGraph app can be used in order to represent the data graphically. I am considering an example of Cafe Coffee Day where the consumption per day is given and we need to use this data to represent in the app so that it can be used by the operations person in order to order the respective supplies based on the data. So let me show how to create this. Go to insert tab. There in my apps you have the option of PeopleGraph app. In case you do not have the option, you can download it from the store. Once you select the PeopleGraph app, it will give us an option to select the data. Click on this. You can also change the title here. I am giving the title as consumption per day. Select your data and select the data whichever you want to represent in the graph. Once selected, create, you will get the information in the app. Now you can also change the view by going to settings. You can select the type in which you want to represent. You also have the option to change the theme and the shape. Based on your requirement, you can select these and get the details. This is how you create the basic PeopleGraph app, which can be used in order to represent data in an easy way and go through the data in a simple manner. I'll go to the next example. This app can also be used to represent the details of the survey. Let us see how we can use slicers along with the app in order to get the details of the survey. We have a data of the survey representing what is the preference of people regarding organic foods of different types, whether they are interested in vegetables, fruits, or organic foods like honey and dry fruits. So we have created a slicer by going to the insert option and creating the slicer. Once the slicer is created, you will also create the PeopleGraph app by selecting the data of the survey results. Same way that I explained before. Given the title as organic foods, selected the data, created the app. Again, you can change the settings and design it based on your requirement. So once this is done, you can use this along with the slicer. When I select dry fruits, the app will show only the details of the consumption or the preference that the people have regarding the purchasing of dry fruits of organic nature. You can also select 2 or 3 options. You will get the details of those displayed. This is how you can use this PeopleGraph app along with the slicer. Similarly, you can use more than one slicer. I am having the details of salary at an organization with different functions across 2 years. So I created the apps the same way I have created before. Now you can select the respective year and get the details of the salary during various years. And also within the finance function or the HR function, what are all the different jobs and what are all the salaries across years. This can be of a great help to compare this increase in salary and also the different posts available in the organization. I'll give you another example where the PeopleGraph app can be used. Let's look at the last example. The PeopleGraph app can be used along with the macros. I have enabled different macros for these functions where you can select the car preference, and we have the number of people who prefer various kinds of cars. So once you select the type of car, the app will display what is the preference, how many people are preferring this particular car. This is how you can use the PeopleGraph app along with macros. This is just the basic functions. You can use the app with many other functions and can be used basically to represent data in a simple way and a crisp manner, where you can have a look at the data just in few seconds instead of going to lump sum amount of data. Thank you for watching the video.